There's a new way to buy meme coins on the Tron network. Before, we were using Sunpump and actually Sunswap, plus our Tron Link wallet right here to be buying into meme coins. But right now, there's a much easier way using a Telegram trading bot in conjunction with Dex Screener. I'm going to be going over in depth in today's video exactly how to take advantage of the newest meme coins on Tron. Make sure to smash the like, subscribe, leave a comment, tap the notification bell. The Telegram bot that I will be using in today's video to trade these Tron meme coins is TradeWizBot on Tron. I'll make sure to leave the link in this video description. Before, to find the top meme coins, we're actually using Sunpump on sunpump.meme right here. We're actually going through, you can see all the coins trying to hit their bonding curve. Really, I like to focus on coins that have already listed on Sunswap. This means that they've already hit their bonding curve and their market cap has hit beyond that $80,000 region. And then we were using Sunswap and our Tron Link wallet. But right now, what I'll be showing you is how to use Dex Screener. So we can actually start right here, come over to Dex Screener, and we want to make sure we are on the Tron meme coin network. Here you can see Sunswap. Now right here, we go over the last 24 hours of coins. And then I do want to be looking at coins that are actually trending. We do have the ability to come over to this filters section and actually put some specific filters in. Something like 5-minute volume is really important. But for this particular example, we will leave the filters out and just focus on these coins that are trending something in the last 6 hours. I like to find coins that are up decent in the last 6 hours, and also this 1 hour section. So we can see there are a few coins we can actually look at. So let's open them up. Open up these top few coins and actually do some technical analysis. And then I'll show you, if you wanted to enter a position, exactly how you could do so using this Telegram trading bot. So we come over, let's actually have a look at some of these first coins. Always want to be looking at market cap. Market cap is very important. We can actually scroll out, maybe look at the 5-minute time frame for this particular coin, even maybe the 1-minute time frame. So once I'm actually scrolling out, one thing that I do initially see right here is we do have a bit of a resistance level. Clearly this region 1, 2, and now we came to it again. 3 is going to act as a resistance level. The main strategy I would use for this particular coin is actually wait for a break above this level, then would come back, use it as support. So rather than it initially being a resistance, then act as a support, look for continuation right now. But obviously here, might actually want to wait for the correct technical analysis before looking at this particular coin. We'll move on to the next one. Let's actually scroll out and have a look. With this particular one, did definitely have an initial major push, but now close to that $100,000 market cap. With these type of coins, I really want to be looking for those stair-stepping patterns to the upside where it's making continuous high highs and high lows, where it was initially in this region, especially if we change it over to the 1-minute time frame. But in the long term, you can see we have started to clearly trend down. We're a little bit late to this trading party. Move over to the next coin. Scroll out on this one. Definitely want to be seeing the long-term overall trend. Okay, this one definitely doesn't look any good. Just move on to the next one. Okay, this one looks a little bit more interesting. Definitely had a bit of a movement to the upside. Now we are basically making a bit of a trading range. Initially, this region, resistance, broke down, broke all the way up, acted as support, and now we're using this region continuously as support. But although the more times we actually bounce on this region, actually could show that we do have a potential to break down. So again, I would be waiting for those continuous stair-stepping patterns. Right now, we have broken above this little high. What I'd be waiting for is even more confirmation before I would be looking at a position over really increasing the probability of each and every one of your trades. Scroll out, actually view this one right here. Quite similar. Overall had an initial really strong push, especially when we scroll into this region. We would have come to say the 5-minute time frame. Actually scroll in to this initial region. So we're just a little bit too late to the trade. Want really to be trading this one, looks like yesterday. So you can even see initially had that resistance, You get the major break above, and then where's the region that you can come back into? Resistance, resistance, got the break above. This region then acts as a support. So you can see the type of moves that you can actually get out of this push. That was an 80% move. Even if you got, say, 50 to 60% of that, you're getting like a 50% push to the upside in a really short amount of time, because this is just the 5-minute time frame. So clearly showing there's still a lot of demand for Tron meme coins, but you do need to be catching them at the right time. Moving on to the next chart. Overall, we can see, and actually scrolling out, again, not really looking and overall making the pattern that I would be looking for. Initially did have that support to resistance flip, where we have resistance, resistance, resistance. When you get the break above, come back, use it as support, get a break above, come back, use it as support, get a break above. And you can see these type of moves from down here all the way to the push. That's a 60% move. And from this bottom all the way to the top, that's another 40% move. So a lot of demand still in these meme coins, but right now there are a lot of coins. We still need to wait for the overall trading price action. Even scrolling right here and see it's trying to break above the 1 million, potentially using this $1 million market cap. Although I won't be entering into this position with a live trade, I'll show you exactly, say, if this was the coin that you were ready to enter into, show you exactly how you can use the Telegram trading bot to enter. So we can come over to this right hand side. What we do need is this contract address. So we can copy the contract address right up here in the top right, and you can see address has been copied to clipboard. We then come over to Telegram. We can see, actually click on the menu for TradeWiz bot on Tron, click on start. We can see we have our Tron wallet address here. We will actually need to add some Tron to our wallet. So you can click on wallet and you see our wallet is here. You can copy that right there and actually send some TRX into your wallet. You're looking to actually buy into a position. We click on buy right here. You can see enter a token address to buy. We've already got the token address, so we paste that in right there. Now you can see the token has come up. We've got the overall price. We've got its current market cap. And we got overall how much is in the liquidity pool. We can also view it here. See Sun Swap. And if we click here, it will take us straight over to the DEX screener chart. We've got some automatic buttons here. We could buy for 100 TRX, 200, 500, 1,000, even 2,000. We've got slippage here. So we could actually change the slippage. And if you wanted to enter for a specific amount of TRX, you could easily do so. So you can see right here, then all you need to do is click buy. And you really quickly be entered in. So straight away, you need to enter into a new position. Click start, click buy, paste the contract address, and bang, you can really quickly and easily enter in, automatically having these buttons, and bang, within 5 seconds, you're already into your position. There's no mucking around with using Sunpump or Sunswap and your Tron Link wallet. You can do everything directly in Telegram to actually trade these meme coins. Don't forget to use the link for TradeWiz Tron in this video description. To become an absolute meme coin master, make sure to check out my meme coin mastery in this video description. You can watch my entire course directly on my website. I go from start to finish, how to go from a beginner to advanced meme coin traders. I give you all of my different trading strategies, all of my programs that I use. I even go through live trades with you. I'm adding new videos right now, and make sure to jump in before the price increase happens. So there we go. I've shown you the latest way to actually be trading these Sun Pump meme coins using DEX Screener to actually find some of these top trending coins. Once you've found the top trending coins, unfortunately, we didn't have many coins available today. Once you're ready to actually trade them, it's really easy to trade them. If you've enjoyed today's video, make sure to smash the like, subscribe, leave a comment, tap the notification bell to stay up to date with all of the latest YouTube videos, and I'll see you in the next video.